Hi there, this is Chingitan, also known as Mr. Ching Positive. Today, we're going to talk about the topic of the 5 signs to know if you are going to be rich one day. Okay, bago nating pag-usapan kung paano yumaman, nakasubscribe ka na ba sa YouTube channel ko? Please, kung hindi pa, click subscribe and then click the bell button para ma-notify po kayo pag may bagong video. Kung sa Facebook, follow na lang po. And then once na follow, please click see first. See first po para pag kung may video, ma-notify rin po kayo. Huwag na natin patagalin. 5 signs if you are going to be rich. Who doesn't want to become rich, 'di ba? Ang daming mga shows like Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, 'di ba? Or like for example, 'di ba yung mga reality TV show na pinapasukan ng Big Brother, bakit sila sumasali sa mga patimpalak na 'yan? Because there's a prize of 1 million, 5 million pesos, 'di ba? Bakit ba tumataya ang mga tao sa sweepstakes or sa loto? Because everybody wants to become rich. Bakit ba nag-uumpisa ng negosyo? Yun nga, lahat talaga gustong yumaman. Pero ang tanong, bakit kaya mailap sa mga ibang tao ang pagyaman? Wala pa akong taong nakita na talagang gusto maghirap. Pero, di ba, ang tanong, bakit hindi lahat ang yumayaman? You know, one thing I've learned, probably may alam sila na hindi alam ng ibang tao. May alam yung mga mayayaman na hindi alam ng mga taong ordinaryo. That's the reason why I made some research. I myself was an ordinary person before. Ordinary income earner, ordinary lang income, ordinary ng pamumuhay, ordinary rin tinitirhan, ordinary rin kinakain. Pero ngayon, natutunan ko yung mga ginagawa nila. That's the reason why nag-level up ako and nag-learn po ako. That's the reason why I want to share it in this session. Signs, okay? Let's talk about signs. Sign number 1 that I've learned and personally encountered. Rich people are goal-oriented person. Okay, they're goal-oriented. Sopra talaga. They don't talk about yesterday. Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far. Yesterday, mahirap lang kami. Yesterday, mayaman lang ako. And they don't talk about past is past para sa kanila. They always talk about their what? Future. 'Di ba? Ang ano nila, long-term thinking sila. You don't make millions by accident. It's because of a goal that you have already set towards your what? Future. It's really a game changer. Alam mo, pag wala kang goal sa buhay, ang hirap tamaan ng target. That's the reason why when I was young at age 12, my goal, I want to become a millionaire before I reach the age of 35. Without me knowing, I already set a goal. I set a timeline. But the good thing is, hindi ko tinamaan at the age of 36. I hit my first million at the age of 20s. Mga 24 to 27 within those years. Hindi ko na maalala ko exact year. Pero at a very young age, I hit my first million because I'm a goal-oriented person. That's the reason why. If you are a goal-oriented person, meron kang parating target, ay nako, magandang sign yan. Nako, ibig sabihin, payaman ka na, payaman ka na. The second sign of a person who's going to be rich, you prioritize savings more than what spending. Pag may pera ka, ang ginagawa mo, tinatabi mo muna yung pera mo. Ang formula mo is income minus savings equivalent to expense. Ulitin ko, income minus savings equivalent to expense. Kita, ipon, kung ano matira, tapos tsaka ka nagbabudget, kang gumagastos. You don't ask your income to adjust to your lifestyle. You ask your lifestyle to adjust down to your income. Yan ang diskarte mo. Ang galing mo talaga. Pag yan ang ginagawa mo, winner ka, payaman ka na. And basically, that's also what I did ever since I was age 12. Yun na po ang training po sa akin talaga na prioritize hindi spending, ang prioritize ko ay savings. Ang hinahabol ko savings bago makagastos. Pag hindi ako nakaipon, hindi ako makakagastos. So that's the second sign. Third, okay, ang hindi lang mahalaga, no? Hindi lang mahalaga na ikaw ay marunong mag-save. Kasi may mga iba marunong mag-save, wala na napupunta sa savings, no? Nawawala lang. Alam mo, third sign of a very rich person, of a rich person, is you also want to grow your money. Pag may savings ka na, ang goal mo, palaguin mo, padamihin mo. Ay, grabe. Talagang ibang klase ka talaga. 'Di ba? Hindi ka natutuwa sa pera mo ngayon. Kunyari, hindi naman greedy, no? Happy ka na may pera ka, pero pag nakikita mo yung pera, ang gusto mo pa, palaguin mo pa, padamihin mo pa. Because alam mo na mayroon pang potential for it to what? To grow. At the same time, ang ginagawa mo, hindi mo ginagamit agad yung pera mo pang bili ng gusto mo. Ang ginagawa mo, 'di ba? Yung pinakapera mo, papalaguin mo muna, tapos yung tubo, yan ang pambili ng gusto mo. Like for example, may cellphone ka. Ang halaga ng cellphone is 40,000. Yan ang pambibili mo. Ang mga taong mayayaman at mauutak, alam mo ginagawa? Hindi nila ginagamit ang 40,000 pambili ng cellphone. Ginagamit nila yung 40,000, ininegosyo nila, palalaguin nila, tapos pag kumita na ng 40,000, yun ang pambili nila. Diba? Ang galing naman talaga. In other words, they don't use their money as a expenditure. They use as a money, as a seed money in order for it to grow further. That's the third sign. Fourth sign na ikaw ay payaman na. You are disciplined with money. Sobra kang disiplinado with pera. Oo. Ang ibig sabihin niyan, you are able to live below your your means. Kahit na kumita ka ng malaki, pero yung lifestyle mo hindi pa rin nagbabago. Kasi may mga iba, kumita ng malaki, pero yung lifestyle nagbabago, parang wala. Dati kumikita ng 15,000, di ba? Walang ipon. Ngayon kumikita ng 30,000, wala pa ring ipon. Kasi yung 15,000 na dinagdagan, binambili na ng sasakyan, napunta na sa amortization. So in other words, they don't immediately change their lifestyle because they know how to practice delayed gratification. When you say delayed gratification is deferring, no? Deferring gratification is one of the most important step to becoming a rich person. Alam mo, ang nangyayari niyan kasi, yung sacrifice now, enjoy later. 'Di ba? Ipon now, 'di ba? Retire later, 'di ba? Hindi yung shopping now, pulubi later, travel now, pulubi later. 'Yun yung po nangyayari pagka wala kang tinatawag, may instant gratification ka, walang delayed gratification. Pero ang sign ng isang payaman, yung kaya mong tiisin ang iyong sarili. 'Di ba? Kahit gustong-gusto mo nang bilhin, pero hindi na, tsaka na lang. Meron pa naman akong gamit eh. Kahit na naiinggit kayo mga ibang nagta-travel, pero sabihin mo, okay lang, kahit di ako mag-travel ngayon, pero darating ang panahon, makapag-travel naman ako. 'Di ba? Pero for now, nag-e-enjoy naman ako dahil nakakaipon ako. That's the fourth sign. May delayed gratification. And last but not the least, para sa akin, makaka-relate talaga ako sa mga tao na talagang yung mga payaman na. If you are a driven and motivated person, grabe ka talaga. Yung drive mo talaga for success, yung drive mo talaga, hindi pera, yung drive mo talaga maka-achieve ka, yung drive mo na may magawa ka sa isang araw. Katulad ko, may drive talaga akong gumawa ng 10 video ngayon. Kasi enjoy ako eh. That's my goal for today. My goal is I'm super motivated, I'm super excited despite of pagod ako, kahit na marami akong ginagawa, galing lang ako sa biyahe. Wala yan kasi I'm driven, I'm motivated. I make things happen. I don't wait for things to happen. I will never stop until I reach the top. Yan ang mga mantra talaga ng mga taong payaman. Let's rewind po. Yung 5 things. Number 1, you're goal-oriented. Number 2, you prioritize savings more than spending. Number 3, you want to grow your money. Number 4, you practice delayed gratification. You're sobrang disiplinado pagdating sa pera. And number 5, you are a driven and motivated person. Man! Congratulations! Kung meron kang karakteristik at nakaka-relate ka sa sinabi ko, payaman ka na, friend. Okay? So, chill ka lang. And question ng mga ibang tao, Chinky, paano ba? How to be you? I don't know. Plastic surgery? No. If you want to become successful, if you want to become just like the rich people, let me tell you this. Ito yung good news. Walang sikreto. Sa matter of fact, wala naman sikreto ang pagyaman. Totoo lang. Oo. Really? Walang sikreto. Sige. Let me prove it. Help me with this. 2 times 2. 4. 4 times 2. 8. 8 times 2. 16. Diba? Ba't pare-pareho sagot natin? Regardless of our educational background, financial status, kahit anong pinag-aralan mo, kahit saan ka ngayon, if you know the system of multiplication, you will get the same answer and result. What do I mean? Listen, I hope you don't miss this. If you miss this, you miss the entire session. If you know the system of the rich, you follow the system of the rich, you will get the same answer and result. Sakto. So, thank you very much for tuning in. I hope that I have enlightened you, and I hope that you have the 5 signs in order for you to become rich. This is Chinky Tan saying, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always. Think positive. Bye.